Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Nissan Versa's oil. First, make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface. This ensures an accurate reading. The engine should be warm, but not hot, so let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes after driving. You'll also want to have a clean rag or paper towel handy for wiping the dipstick. These initial steps are crucial for getting a reliable measurement of your oil level. Now, let's find that dipstick. Pop open your hood and look for a yellow or orange handle, usually clearly visible on the engine. This is your oil dipstick. Carefully pull it all the way out of its tube. It's important to wipe it completely clean with your rag or paper towel. This first pull and wipe clears any residual oil from the tube, ensuring an accurate reading on your second check. With the dipstick clean, reinsert it fully into its tube until it's seated properly. Give it a few seconds, perhaps 5, to allow the oil to settle and coat the stick accurately. Then, pull the dipstick out one more time. Now, carefully observe the oil level. You'll see 2 marks, often labeled min and max or with hash marks. The oil level should fall somewhere between these 2 indicators. Once you've checked the dipstick, the oil level should ideally fall between the 2 designated marks, often labeled min and max. If your oil is below the minimum mark, it's time to add more. Consult your owner's manual for the correct type of oil for your Nissan Versa. Maintaining the proper oil level is vital for engine health and longevity. Remember, regular checks can prevent costly issues down the road. Also, if you're looking for some great deals, including the darn tough socks mentioned, be sure to check out the links in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.